Hello, my experienced companions. A warm welcome back to Bloom and Nourish. Before we begin, share in the comments where you're tuning in from, whether it's the UK, Canada, India, the United States, Pakistan, or anywhere else. It always brings me joy to see this community reach across the world. And as always, I truly hope you're resting well, caring for yourself gently, and staying in good spirits. Let me begin with a simple question. Have you ever reviewed your expenses and wondered how your money vanished so quickly? You didn't buy anything extravagant, yet the balance still dropped. This happens to almost everyone, especially past 60 or 70 when life slows down, but expenses don't. Once retired, your financial stability is no longer about income. It's about wisely managing what you already have. And this is where many thoughtful, kind-hearted older adults unknowingly slip. Small habits, little purchases, auto payments, and emotional decisions quietly eat away at the money meant to support your peace in later life. Today we're going to explore 9 areas where older adults should stop spending unnecessarily. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. Because at this stage, every dollar, rupee, pound, or naira represents more than currency. It reflects independence, dignity, and peace of mind. You've worked for decades. You've raised families, paid bills, supported others, and carried responsibilities many cannot imagine. Now it's time to make sure your money supports you, not the other way around. Let's begin. Point 1. Brand new cars. Many older adults buy brand new vehicles believing they've earned something shiny and new. And while comfort is important, the harsh truth is this. A brand new car loses 10 to 20% of its value the moment it leaves the dealership. That means a $30,000 car instantly becomes worth $24,000 or less within days. Why pay thousands extra for a smell that disappears? A smarter choice is a 2 to 4-year-old certified pre-owned car, which has already taken the depreciation hit. It's still modern, safe, and reliable at 30–40% less cost. And ask yourself, do you really use your car often enough to justify the insurance, fuel, maintenance, and registration fees? Many seniors barely drive, making the expense unnecessary. Alternatives like rideshare services, community transport, or keeping an older, reliable vehicle may save thousands. At this age, a car is not a symbol of status. Real success is peaceful finances, not shiny purchases. Point 2. Expensive clothing and fashion trends. In your younger years, you may have needed to dress for work, social events, or competition. But now, you don't need to impress anyone. You've already lived your accomplishments. Yet many seniors still buy pricey outfits they wear once, or not at all. Fashion companies target older adults by portraying stylish elders in ads, making you feel you need something new to stay relevant. But comfort, cleanliness, and confidence, not labels, are what truly matter. Many closets are full of unworn clothes. Instead of buying more, keep only what feels good, fits well, and serves your lifestyle. Donate the rest. Simplicity is freedom. Point 3. Recurring monthly charges you don't use. This is one of the biggest quiet money drainers. Gym memberships you no longer visit, streaming services you forgot about, app subscriptions that auto-renew, magazine memberships, annual fees for programs you haven't used in years. Individually, each cost may seem small, but together they can add up to hundreds per month. Do a quarterly review. Look at every automatic payment. Ask, do I actually use this? Does it truly benefit me? If not, cancel it. Every canceled subscription is money returned to your peace. Point 4. Complicated tech devices. Every year there's a new phone, tablet, smartwatch, or gadget claiming to make life easier. But most older adults only use 10% of the features. A $1,000 phone isn't necessary when a simpler model works perfectly well. Before buying new tech, ask, does this solve a real problem? Am I maximizing the device I already have? Can I wait a few months to see if the desire passes? Most of the time, wanting new tech is emotional, not practical. Learn the basics of what you already own. It will save you money and reduce frustration. Point 5. Expensive gifts for family. This comes from love, but it often harms seniors financially. You want to spoil children and grandchildren, phones, cash, clothes, expensive surprises. But real love isn't measured by price tags. If a gift creates financial strain, it's too expensive. Give within your comfort level. Meaningful gifts, letters, photos, handmade items, shared time are often remembered longer than expensive ones. Your family needs you, not your money. Point 6. Home decor and unnecessary upgrades. Many seniors constantly buy new furniture, fancy decorations, or think they need to remodel their kitchen or floors to stay updated. But at this stage of life, your home should be safe, comfortable, and easy to maintain, not stylish or trendy. Instead of spending thousands on decorations, focus on better lighting, slip-resistant mats, comfortable chairs, simple layouts. Your home is for living, not impressing others. Point 7. Eating out too often. Treating yourself to a restaurant meal is wonderful. But when it becomes a habit, 2 or 3 times a week, the cost adds up to thousands yearly. Most restaurant food is also high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Simple home-cooked meals save money and improve health. You don't need complicated recipes. Cook once, eat twice. Invite friends or neighbors for shared meals if you want company. Eating out should be an occasion, not a lifestyle. Point 8. Expensive health supplements. This is a huge spending trap. Advertisers know seniors worry about memory, joints, sleep, energy, and aging, so they sell miracle supplements that often do nothing. Unless a doctor tells you to take something, don't buy it. You don't need exotic powders, detox drinks, or anti-aging pills. Real health comes from simple daily habits. Whole foods, sunlight, movement, water, sleep. These outperform almost every supplement on the market. Point 9. Giving large loans or financial help to family. Many seniors put their own stability at risk by lending money they can't afford to lose. Some give away savings out of guilt or obligation. Sadly, repayment often never comes. Your money is your safety net. It ensures you won't depend on anyone. Offer emotional support, advice, and small affordable help, but protect your long-term security. You are not selfish for saying no, you are wise. Final thoughts. These 9 spending habits silently drain the peace, energy, and security older adults deserve. New cars, expensive fashion. Unused subscriptions, high-end tech devices. Overgifting, home decor upgrades. Frequent dining out. Costly supplements. Large financial support to others. This is not about cutting joy. It's about cutting waste. Every dollar you protect becomes freedom. Freedom to rest, to breathe, to live without worry. Review your habits. Choose one area to improve this week. Small, consistent changes create massive financial peace. If this message helped you, like the video, share it, and join the Bloom and Nourish community. Comment below. Which of the 9 do you struggle with most, and what's the first change you'll make? From my heart to yours, live wisely, simply, and joyfully. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and continue blooming.